Hello everyone. Audio video check please. Audio video check please. Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome once again to LeadSoft Placement Academy. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you are watching, you know the drill. Today we would be solving few actually asked questions from TCS NQT TCS foundation section from mensuration, 2-dimension and 3-dimension question. Question is on your screen. Give it a try, and then we will start up next 1 hour. Fix up a timer for yourself. अपने लिए खुद एक timer लगाइए 1 minute के अंदर. Please try to do it, and then we'll check the solution. Keep sharing the link. This is a free episode being run by MJ and LeadSoft Placement Academy. So please keep on sharing. You never know who is in want of this particular session. So keep sharing, do comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Try it out. Good evening, Sakshi. Good evening, Soumya. Manisha, good evening. Question is on your screen. Give it a try. Akanksha, Akshata, Shruti, Sabia, everyone, good evening. Let's start now. Shraddha, Prajakta, Anuja, everyone, good evening. Good. जुड़ते रहिए. Keep sharing the link. Keep sharing the link. लोगों को जोड़ो. Kunal, Karsh, Anuja, Aishwarya, Rajeshwari. Good evening, everyone. Rutuja, Jyoti on our Zoom platform. Pilu, good evening. Keep sharing the link. And do solve the question also. Sushmita. Give it a try. You can use Pranam sir, Suraj Kumar, Pranam. And if you want, you can use your on-screen calculator also if required. But don't use the scientific one. You would be destroying yourself. On-screen calculator TCS में allowed होता है, बस उतना तक ही आप चाहें तो use कर सकते हैं. Anyone want to post the answer, or shall we start? Let's keep the ball rolling. It's already 3 minutes into. The length of a wire is 42 centimeter. From this wire, a rectangle of length 12 centimeter is made. Rectangle banaya, length is 12, breadth is B. So the total perimeter is 42, which is equals to twice length plus breadth. That means breadth of the rectangle is 21 minus 12, that is 9 centimeter. Perfect. Now find the ratio of area to this rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is 12 into 9, to that of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So area of a circle of radius 7 centimeter would be pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into 7 square. So we need ratio of this AR by AC. AR is 12 into 9. AC is 22 into 7. 2 times 6, 2 times 11. So this is 54 by 77. Ratio we are looking out for is option A. 54 is to 77. 60-second maximum would be the time given to you on this particular question. So please fix a timer for yourself. Preeti, Priya, good evening. Aa jaiye. If you have any doubt, please let us know. Keep solving. After the live session is over, this particular session video would be available on the channel LeadSoft Placement Academy. So please subscribe to it. And if you somehow are missing out the question, you know what to do. Go back and then again make a note of the question. So instead of wasting time on writing the question right now in the live session, it's better just to see the question on your screen and solve it. Barabar hai na? Chaliye, we'll check out the next one. Give it a try. जुड़ते रहिए. Keep sharing the link. कम से कम आज सेंचुरी तो करो. Yes, anyone? Fix up a timer for yourself. Timer fix कीजिए. And do it. Primal, Shaba, Bongarge, good evening, everyone. Please solve it and put it answer on the chat box. Let us see. Timer already over ho chuka hai still. Since we are practicing, draw it carefully, read it carefully, and give it a try. Aishwarya Patil, welcome. एक और ऐश्वर्या जी आ गई। सिंदागी, क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करना है। हमारे छोटे छोटे सेशन ही होते हैं, 10-10 क्वेश्चन हर एक सेशन में करते चलिए। ऐश्वर्या यहाँ पे बी, गुड इवनिंग ITS मोटिवेशन। ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इट इज। A large rectangular park, 500-meter long and 300-meter broad. 500 by 300. Aman Devnath, good try. Has 2-meter broad walkways, one parallel and other perpendicular to the length. One is parallel to the length, let it be this. The width of this is 2 meter. And one is perpendicular. It can be anywhere, but just perpendicular. If this walkway is to be paved by tiles, half meter into half meter, how many tiles would be required? We need the area of this walkway. Suppose this is LL dash and this is BB dash. Area of the part LL dash would be length is 500 and width of the path is 2. That is 1000 meter square. And area of the pathway BB dash would be breadth 300 into its width 2. That is 600 meter square. But if you see this particular portion, we have accounted for twice. The path which is intersecting, this area is 2 by 2. So the area which is intersecting I dash is 2 into 2, that is 4 meter square. That means the pathway which need to be paved with tiles, area would be 1000 plus 600 minus 4. 1600 minus 4, 1596 meter square. This is the area which need to be paved. Clear? Now, what is the area of one tile? Area of one tile is half into half meter square. That is 1 by 4 meter square. So number of tiles required is area of pathway divided by area of one tile. 1596. 1596, sorry, divided by 1 by 4. That is 1596 into 4. 6384 tiles would be required. Option A is the pick. 6384. Many of you have missed out that area 2 into 2. 2 into 2, that area we have considered twice. If the pathways are intersecting each other, and the common area need to be deducted. The pathway are intersecting each other, common area need to be deducted. Please keep this in mind. Thank you, Harsha. Thank you, Akanksha, to answer it in the proper manner. Whenever you are answering, please write the question number also and then put in your option. That always helps us in reading your messages in running live chats. That's a request which have already been made many times, so this time also. So please, whenever you are answering, write the question number and then the answer. Very good. I hope those who have answered B 6400 have forgotten to or missed out that particular intersecting area 4 meter square which need to be deducted. So that's why answer is not 6400. It is 6384. Only 6384 tiles would be required. Fair enough? Send us your love, thumbs up if it is okay. प्यार बनाए रखिए. Keep on sharing. Yes? आगे बढ़ें. Okay. Let's check the next one. Okay, Anjali, Shabia, Soumya, give it a try. Another one on your screen. Fix up a timer for yourself. Tick tock, timer running. Chalo, chalo. At least if you are just watching and enjoying, make sure. Um, Try to see how your instructor is solving that particular question, how the read is, and how he or she is moving his or her pen. Pile question number also, if you want to answer. So we have blank with an answer. Good. Welcome, blank. A wire is bent in the shape of rectangle of length 40 centimeter and breadth 16 centimeter. 40, 16, 56 into 2. 112 centimeter is the length of the wire, which is nothing but perimeter. The wire is now rebent in the shape of a square. Okay. Let the side of the squares be A. Then 4A is equals to 112. 12, 2 times 8, 32 is 8. So side of a square is 28 centimeter. Find the area enclosed by the rebent wire. We just need to find how much is 28 square. That is the area of the 8 square 64, 6, 16, 32, 2, 4 and 7. 784 centimeter square. Area enclosed by the rebent wire. They are asking about the area. Area of the square we need to find. Area of the square will be 28 square, 64, 6, 16 to 2, 32, 38, 3, 784. 784 square centimeter. Option A should be the pick. We have got answer A, B also. 640, how come? And somebody have answer C also. No, the answer should be A. We need to find first the length of the wire with help of perimeter of the rectangle. That perimeter is used to define a square perimeter. So 4A is 112, 2 times 32, 8. 28 centimeter would be the length of the square. After that, they are asking find the area enclosed by the rebent wire. Area enclosed will be area of the square. Area of the square is 28 square. That is 784 centimeter square or square centimeter. Clear? Those who have answered B and C. C, so straight away is the perimeter is just the length of the wire. You're asking about area 112. What we have calculated is perimeter, the length. So straight away C is not the answer. B, obviously some calculation error. Answer should be A, 784 square centimeter. I think this is fair enough. Participation, very good. Please make sure that you are solving it up correctly. Give it a correct try and then put in your answer. Read the question 2 times if necessary. These are our practice session. We did not need to hurry unnecessarily. We need to practice. So if you want to take 30 more seconds, do take it. No issues. Let's move on to the next one. All questions are actual questions which were asked in August 2022 TCS NQT drive. Somewhere here or there, we would have changed the numbers. Otherwise, the question format is exactly the same which were asked. So you might end up getting the same type of question. Not the actual one, obviously, the similar kind. So keep practicing these. At the end of the session, I'll put in the description few links of mensuration geometry, coordinate geometry, with questions which were asked at TCS. So please also go through those videos for more practice. Give this one a try. A minute is over. I'm giving you 1 more minute. We have answers. Tanvi, Harsha, Rashri, Anjali, Kausar. बहुत बढ़िया. और कोई? Bongarje, Sabiha. Okay, let's see. Nandini. In a circular ground of diameter 175 meter, a rectangular football court of breadth 105 meter is constructed, and vertices of the court lies on the circumference of the ground. Circular ground, if we are fitting in, this is breadth and this is length. One rectangular football court. How much area is left after construction of football court? Okay. First, we need area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square or pi into d by 2 whole square if diameter is given. That is 22 by 7 into diameter is 175 into 175 by 4. We can drop down our on-screen calculator and check this. How much it is first. 22 into 175 into 175 divided by 7 divided by 4. Area of the circle is 24062.5 meter square. Now, one thing here we need to understand. The breadth of the football court is given, that is 105 meter. But what is the length? To find the area of this particular football field, we need the length also. Here, the diagonal of the rectangular field will be the diameter of the circle. But this is 90 degree. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees suspended by the diameter. Hence, this will be the diameter. So L square plus B square should be equals to 175 square. B square we know. L square will be 175 square minus 105 square. That is 175 plus 105, 280 into 70. So this is 70 into 4 into 70. So length is 70 into 2, that is 140. So area of the rectangular field is length into breadth. That is 140 into 130, 105. 105 meter. That comes to 14,700 meter square. Now, what is the question? How much area is left? Area left is 14,062.5 minus 14,700. That shall give us 9,362.5 meter square. Option B is the pick. Option B is the answer. How many of you are landing up getting option A? I don't understand. You need to understand that length of the football ground is not 175. That is diameter of the circular ground. Diameter of the circular ground will be length of the diagonal of the rectangular ground which we are looking out. Diagonal will become the diameter will become the diagonal of the rectangular field. That is not the length. Is this clear, everyone? Because I have seen 20 of you have given answer and all of you have answered A. It is not A, it is B. 9362.5 meters square is the area left after construction of football court. Let us know if it is clear. If any doubt, I'm giving you a minute to ponder. Please ask. In case you have no doubt, please let us know. You can raise a thumbs up or say it's okay, we can move on. We need the assurance from your end also. Is it fine? Okay. Let's see the next one. Please fix the timer yourself, and let's move on. Give it a try. 1.5 minutes. Are we on to it? Let's go slow. The area of a triangular park whose sides are this. First of all, we need to see that this is an scalene triangle. In case of an scalene triangle where all the three sides are different, A, B, C, first we need to find the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C by 2. Don't divide it by 3. Remember, semi-perimeter is semi, half, adha. That would be 72 plus 154 plus 170, 396 by 2, 198. Semi-perimeter would be 190. Now we need to calculate area. Area is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So that will give us 198 into 198 minus 72, 126 into 198 minus 154 will give 44 into 198 minus 170 will give us 28. Okay. So 198 divided by 28 are we getting now? So 198 divided by 49. 198 is 99. Okay, so 2 into 9 into 11. 44 will give 2 into 2 into 11. 28 will give 4 into 7. And 126 on dividing by 7 will give 18. So we have, now we can find, this is 7 into 18. Area would be 7 into 18 into 11 into 4. Into 11 into 4. So area of the triangle is 7 into 18 into 11 into 4. That is 5544. 5544 meter square. Done. Area of rectangular park is 5544 meter square is equals to area of a circular park. Circular park area is pi r square, which is equals to 5544. So here 22, obviously divisible, divided by 22 will give 252 into 7 is 1764. So r square is 1764. R is root over 1764. The diameter 1764 is 42 square. So radius is 42. The length of the diameter of the circular park, diameter is 2 into 42, 2 times the radius, that is 84 centimeter. Option A is the pick. They're asking about the diameter. So diameter is 84. So we need to find the area of the triangular park with help of Heron's formula. After calculating semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, Heron formula give us the area as root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Solve it and then put pi r square equals to area of the triangle. You will find the value of r. You will get the value of r. Double it up. It will be length of the diameter. Isn't it? Option A is the pick. Now, we'll move on to a few questions from three-dimensional figures where we might will also end up calculating the volumes. Let's see the next one. Okay, let's see. A hollow metallic cube of uniform thickness and outer edge 1. We look here. Thickness is only 1. That means on both sides, we need to deduct 1 to get the volume of the inside hollow part. That would be 8. Is melted. So volume of this particular metallic cube will be 10 cube from the outer side minus 8 cube from the hollow air side. That would be 1000 minus 512. 488 centimeter cube should be the volume of the hollow metallic cube. And recast for getting it into a solid spherical shape. Okay, spherical shape volume would be 4 by 3 pi r cube. But in the process, only 11 by 21 part of the metallic material could be recovered. So first we need the recovered material. Recovered material is 488 into 11 by 21. Then what is the radius of the spherical shape so obtained? Okay. So this must be equals to 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7 into r cube. Let's solve for r cube. R cube is 21. This gone. Good. 11, 2 times this gone. 2, this is 244. 4 will be 61. So r cube is 61. 5 cube, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. They are asking about nearest to integer. So the nearest value of r is 4. 4 cube is 64. Option A fits in. 61 cube root we cannot find exactly, but r cube is 64. And overall they have asked nearest to integer in centimeter, not in in centimeter. R will be equals to 4. Clear? Volume of hollow cuboid or hollow cube is equals to L cube minus L minus H whole cube, where L is the length of the outer edge and H is the thickness. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where radius of the sphere is r. Now it is given that volume of the hollow cube recovered is only 11 by 21 part. That is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. On equating, we get r cube equals to 61. Nearest whole digit for r is 4. Because if we take 327 is too lower than 61. R is equals to 4. Option A is the pick. Fair enough? Good. This time people have given good answers. Correct. Let's check the next one. Let's check. The difference between the outer and inner surface area of a metallic pipe. This is a metallic pipe. Outer surface area is 2 pi RH. And inner surface area, where this is outer radius is capital R and inner radius is small r. 2 pi small RH. This difference is 158.4. That means 2 pi h into r minus small r equals 158.4. Now, what is the sum of inner and outer radius? R plus small r value they are asking for. What else is given? Surface, the difference between the outer and inner surface area of metallic pipe, 33.6 centimeter long. H value is given. 2 into 22 by 7 into 33.6 into r minus r is 158.4. Let's calculate how much is r minus capital R. Sorry, capital R minus small r. So directly we can do 158.4 into 7 divided by 44 divided by 33.6. This is coming at 0.75. Done. Now, pipe is made up of 264 centimeter cube metal. So volume of a hollow pipe is given by, volume of pipe is normally pi r square h. The volume of hollow pipe would be pi capital R square minus small r square into h. That is given as 264. So instead of pi, I am writing 22 by 7. Instead of r square minus small r square, I am writing r plus r into r minus small r is 0.75, that is 3 by 4. Into height. Height is 33.6. This is equals to 264. So sum of the two radiuses 264 into 7 into 4 by 22 into 3 into 33.6. Let's see what our drop-down calculator says. 264 into 28 divided by 66 divided by 33.6 give us 3.33. 3.33 is nothing but 10 by 3. Option A is the pick. Sum of inner and outer radius is 10 by 3. Just we are using formula. Surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 pi r minus small r into h. Volume of hollow cylinder is pi r square minus small r square into h. Writing the formula correctly, we will end up getting the result r minus r first. With help of that, when we use it in the volume formula, we can get r plus r. That is 3.33, 10 by 3. Option A is the pick. Let me know if you have any doubt till this point, then we move on. Take help of the on-screen calculator because that is allowed in TCS. And where it is not allowed, you won't find such tedious calculations. Don't worry. But try to use calculator as less as possible. Give this a try. Number 78 on your screen. जुड़ते रहिए, keep sharing, keep commenting. Do like the session also, help it grow. The curved surface area of a cone. Cone, we have got an height, radius, and slant height. Curved surface area is pi RL, where L is equals to root over h square plus r square. The curved surface area of a cone is double the area of his base. Area of his base is pi r square. So when we solve this, we'll get some relationship. And what is that? Slant height is equals to 2r. Great. If the sum of height and radius is 68.3, h plus r is equals to 68.3, then what is the radius? We need to find the value of r. Let's use L equals to 2r. So on squaring both sides, 4r square equals to h square plus r square. 3r square equals to h square. Okay. Since we need a value of h is 68.3 minus r, if I just substitute here, we'll get 3r square equals 68.3 minus r whole square. Let's do it. 3r square equals 68.3 whole square plus r square minus 0.6, 16, 136 r. So 2r square plus 136.6 r plus 60 equals to 68.3 square. Unnecessary a quadratic equation will end up getting. Fine. So what's the use? Let's use something else so that easily we can find. The cone is double the area of its base. Area of the base is pi r square, pi gone, r gone. Length is equals to 2r. So we have got 2r, 4r square equals to hr. This relationship will hold good. R square by h square is equals to 1 by 3. So r by h is 1 by root 3. Bingo. If I add plus 1, r plus h by h is 1 plus root 3 by root 3. R plus h, height plus radius is 68.3. But let me do the converse. H by r is root 3 plus 1 on both sides. H plus r by r is root 3 plus 1, that is 2.732. Root 3, okay. So H plus R is 68.3. So R is 68.3 divided by 2.732. Bingo. Here we would be using our calculator. 68.3 divided by 2.732. This will give us 25. Masterpiece. R is equals to 25. Option A is the pick. Here what we have used? Here we have used subduplicate ratio. Subduplicate ratio concept. If r square by h square is 1 by 3, then r by h is 1 by root 3. We can do root on both sides. We can use subduplicate. If r square by h square, like if ratio is a is to b, then duplicate ratio is a square is to b square. Subduplicate is root a is to root b. Likewise, triplicate is a cube is to b cube, and subtriplicate is cube root of a is to cube root of b. We can use it if required. That is what we need to use. Because initially also what we have seen when we were trying to put in the quadratic equation, unnecessary calculations is what we were landing up. So we are getting h by r is root 3 by 1. We are adding plus 1 on both sides. H plus r by r is root 3 plus 1. That is 2.732. And then h plus r value is known. Put up there, r equals to 25. And that's the solution. Good one. Let's try the next one. A minute timer is on. Give it a try. Okay, let's roll. Please mention the question number also. Uh, the radius of hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Hemisphere like a bowl, 5 centimeter. The radius of the base of a cone, radius of a base of a cone is equal to radius of the hemisphere, that is 5, and height is 10, and this height is 10. What is the ratio of volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of the cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of hemisphere by volume of cone would be 2 by 3 pi 5 cube by, we have got pi r square, h is 10, and this 3 will go here. 3 cancel, pi cancel, this will give us 5. 5 into 2 is 10 by 10, which is 1 by 1. Option B is the pick. Very good. This time, many of you have given answer 79B. Great. Let's move on to the last one for the session. Give it a try. Tomorrow or in the next session, we will do a few questions on statistics, which is of lately very common. So give it a try. Timer set is over. What should be the answer? Still, I'm giving you 1 more minute. Give it a try. You should. And then our next session, we will have statistics, which is like of lately a common topic in TCS and many other companies also. So go through it, revise few formulas, and come back. We'll do 10 beautiful questions again. So next session would be on statistics. Let's see what we have here. In a right circular cone, ratio of radius to the height, r by h equals 8 by 15. Find the ratio of curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone is pi rl to the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area is pi rl plus pi r square. This is the ratio they are looking out for. If I take common pi r, it is L. Denominator, it is pi r, L plus r. The ratio we are looking out for is L upon L plus r. This is the ratio we are looking. R by H, 8 by 15. Suppose this is 15 and this is 8. So how much is L? L is 15 is square 225 plus 8 is square 64. That is 289. 289 is 17. So this is L is 17 upon 17 plus R. R is 8. 17 by 25. Since it is ratio, we can play with ratios as a number also. 17 is to 25. Option A is the pick. Keep practicing, and this season, please also practice a lot of frustrum questions. Cone, cylinder, prism, solid prism based on an equilateral triangle or a pentagon or an hexagon. These kind of questions. And hope that you end up getting these I hope this was useful. Do let us know in the comment box after the session. If you need anything from our end, we'll try to come live with that particular topic. So do subscribe to the channel. Keep on sharing the link, and we'll put up a few practice questions for TCS in the description once the session gets over. This is Mohit signing off from LeadSoft Placement Academy. I'll see you soon. Thank you everyone for participating.